little stars. Welcome to Starry Beacon's Moonlight Story Time. Snuggle close and rest your cheeks. The night is soft and kind. A silver moon hums. Streetlights glow like tiny friends. Let your breath be slow, like raindrops rolling. We will drift where water whispers and the world feels safe. Now, let's begin our story. Rory Raindrop rolls to the river. A night cloud gathers, soft and slow. Rory Raindrop forms, round and bright. He peeks at the quiet town below. Streetlights glow like sleepy stars. Rory feels ready and calm. He whispers, "I will go where I am needed." Plink! Rory lands on a rooftop. The roof is cool and smooth. He rolls, slow and safe. He slides to the gutter's edge. He drops into a small puddle. "Hello, puddle," he says softly. A leaf floats by. "This way, little drop," Leaf whispers. The gutter hums. No rush. Slide along. The puddle tips into a trickle. The trickle joins friends and becomes a tiny stream. Rory feels brave and cozy. Step by step feels friendly, he thinks. The stream sings a low, sweet song. It opens into a wide, calm river. Crickets chirp by the banks. The moon smiles. Rory nestles into the river's gentle roll. He feels part of something big and kind. Every small step led me home, Rory sighs and rests. The river feels gentle inside you now. Let the night hold you like a warm blanket. And now, as the moon shines quietly, let's listen to our lullaby. Plink-Plonk Nighttime Wing. Let its soft notes plink and plonk like tiny drops. Close your eyes and float in the hush. Good night, little stars.
In a soft night cloud so high, Rory Raindrop blinks at the sky. Town below is quiet and kind, floating, ready, calm in mind. Plink-Plonk, slide and sing, little drop on a nighttime wing. Every small step leads you home, hear the sleepy river sing. Plink on the roof, smooth and cool, down to the gutter, gentle roll. Tip to a puddle, round and small, rolling softly through it all. Plink-Plonk, slide and sing, little drop on a nighttime wing. Every small step leads you home, hear the sleepy river sing. Leaf whispers, "This way, friend." Gutter hums, safe around the bend. Trickles join a tiny stream. New places feel friendly like a dream. Change can be gentle, slow and true. The wide, calm river welcomes you. Plink-Plonk, slide and sing, little drop on a nighttime wing. Every small step leads you home, Hear the sleepy river sing.